Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break number 836-836. We're opening one box of Totally Certified 2011 football. Our last winning bid was for the Washington Redskins, and it ended June 25th at 9:01 p.m. According to timeanddate.com, it is currently 10:43 a.m. Friday, June 26th. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Our box number is 352-984-108. We've got 5 cards per pack, 6 pack in a box. Little pad for hits. I'd like to mention that redemption cards, if any, are expired, being a 2011 product. But I will still send you the code or mail you the redemption card. Because with Panini, well, you never know. They might send you something else. They might refuse it. But still, just letting everybody know. And that information is all available on my description page. Before making the bids, I mentioned that redemption cards are expired. We've got 6 pack in a really nice empty box. 2, 4, 6. First pack, Totally Certified 2011. This here. Okay, base. And I'm talking about redemption. We've got a Freshman Fabric Gold Signature card number 230. Whoops, let me get it. At the end of the break, we'll go on Panini checklist, see if the card's still listed. Let's see who the winner is. So we'll just put it aside here. Okay, next pack. Marcel Darius, rookie week number 8 for Bills. And oh wow, what do we have? Oh, this is nice. Oh wow, let me just get the bases out here and sleeve this right away because we're going to handle it a few times. We've got a quad jersey of, wow, 4 superstars. Eli Manning for Giants. We got Ben Roethlisberger, Drew Brees, and Aaron Rodgers. Wow, for Saints and Green Bay. So, in that order, that card will be randomized at the end of the break between these 4 teams. Card is out of 90, 34, 90. For those unfamiliar with to randomize the card, all the information is available on all my description page. So, for the end of the break, that's a nice card. Okay, next pack. Oh, wow. Well, that's Chicago. Clyde Bulldog Turner. Dick Butkus, of course. Mike Singletary, great player. And Brian Urlacher out of 70. Again, let me get the base out. Quad jersey card. What a nice hit for Chicago. Beautiful card. Beautiful. Out of 70. Okay, on with the break. Next pack. The Bears. Oh, got a gold parallel. Lisa McCoy for Eagles out of 25. Again, we get the bases out here. We've got Joseph Cribbs for Browns out of 49. Wow. Patch card. Gold version for Browns. Okay, I'm going to clean up here. Next pack. Okay, get this out. Saints out of 499. Mark Ingram. Rookie jersey. And we're down to our last pack of our box break number 336. Totally certified 2011. Get the bases right. Out first. DJ Yates out of 299. Oh, that's nice. Rookie auto. Beautiful card for Texans. Okay, that's our first box. We'll do a quick recap, but before we do, we need to go on Panini checklist and randomize this card. So let's just get to my screen. I'm already set up like always. So we're on Panini checklist. I'm already under the totally certified card. Hopefully will be randomized. By the way, the winner of this card can send me an email. I can send them the code by email instead of snail mail, and that way you can send it out right away. So we've got Freshman Fabric Signature Gold. Here we go. Card number 230. 230 Patriots. Shane Vereen. So card number 230. Shane Vereen goes to Patriots. So let's give it a shot. The winner, Patriots. Send me an email. I'll send you the code. Okay, now we need to go to random.org. Random.org. Under the list randomizer. Card we're randomizing is this beautiful quad jersey card. In the same order, we go Giants, Steelers, Saints, and Packers. Same in the back, Giants, Steelers, Saints, and Packers. So, first on card, Giants, Steelers, Saints, and Packers. Lovely teams. Let's double check our card. We got Giants, Steelers, Saints, Packers in the back, same as order as in the front. We got Giants, Steelers, Saints, and Packers for Manning, Roethlisberger, Breeze, and Rodgers. Here we go. Card will be randomized 3 times. Team that's on top the 3rd time wins the card. Randomized once. We've got Packers on top twice. Got Steelers on top. You're randomized 2 times. And a 3rd time. We've got Saints on top. You have randomized this list 3 times. Saints for Drew Brees wins this beautiful quad jersey card. Okay, let's get to our hits. A quick recap. So our first card goes to Saint Patriots. We got a rookie auto. Texans rookie jersey for Saints. Browns patch card. Eagles gold parallel. We got a quad jersey card for the Bears, and for Bills, Marcel Darius, Week 8 winner rookie. So that concludes our break number 836, one box 2011. Totally certified. Sure to check out our other box breaks. We've got seven of them tonight, which are hockey. Our next Totally Football ends Sunday night at 7:30. So my name is Joe. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.